Funny how quiet rules can shape a whole life. They told me don't stand too tall. They told me don't stand too tall. Keep your head just below the line, and don't speak like you know too much. Don't shine where the light might find. Don't think you're built like us. Don't dream past what we allow. Stay small, stay easy to place. Don't ask too many how. And I listened. Yeah, I did. They said I was nothing, so I moved that way. Kept my voice low, kept my fire gray, but something kept breathing underneath it all. Didn't scream, didn't fight, just refused to fall. Yeah. It's worth putting in a song. Don't think they'd care if you left. Don't think they'd notice your name. Don't think you could teach us or rewrite the game. And I carried that weight like it was mine. They said I was nothing, so I played it safe. Didn't break the silence, just outgrew what it meant. Maybe they needed me smaller, so they didn't feel the same. Maybe it wasn't about me, just a quiet kind of shame. Stand a little different. Don't ask for a place. Just stop shrinking inside my own space. Yeah. Turns out that was enough. Yeah. Under a white sky. As I walk across the open fields, where the sky lies wide and still, tell me now, for these hands are empty, who will meet me where I will? Who will give me their heart like a flower? Who will give me that quiet grace, like a scent that lingers softly as it brushes across my face, so that when I walk my fading road through the turning of the year, I won't fear that final gate before me. I won't turn or carry doubt inside. If I hold something warm within me, I won't fear when I reach the other side. I don't need a crowd around me, don't need words to make it clear, just a quiet kind of presence that stays close, even here. So when everything falls silent, I don't feel like I'm alone. I won't fear that final gate before me. I won't run or try to hold it back. If there's peace somewhere in the leaving, I'll just go and not look back, just like that. Under a white sky.
They call it freedom. Living alone, no one needs you, but that kind of quiet can be heavy. I built my love like a